I do.
Only use it like alternate verses,
It's recording.
Alright boys, here we go! Play that track, boy! I got a stapler! Okay, I was trying to know. Play that track, boy! I got my stapler! We're gonna staple all night long. Give it to me now.
There's a dog.
I got my black pen.
You got a black pen?
I got my black pen.
What you got? You got a black pen.
I got my black pen.
You got a black pen.
I got a black pen. You got a black pen. I'm gonna write all night long. I got a green frog. 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 And it goes raving all night long. All night long. Solo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, drop it. Woo.
Do I hear a grandma calling? Do I hear a grandma calling? What about grandpa?
Turn it up now, turn it up! I got my grandma! I got a grandma!
And a grandpa!
I got a grandma!
And a grandpa!
I got a grandma!
And a grandpa!
I got a grandma and a grandpa all night long! 1, 2, 3, 4! All night long.